Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a nicely equipped 2013 Chrysler 200 Limited. Stock number E1751PA. 98,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, black in color. The 200 is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Nice sized trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for navigation, radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio also has a 20 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. You can also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, heated front seats, and automatic temperature control. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with the owner's manual inside. Auto dimming mirror, power moonroof control, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this 200 has the 3.6 liter 283 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and approximately 65% tire tread left. For more information on this 200, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.